Crystal Beach, South Carolina to Savannah, Georgia, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Savannah, Georgia to Altamaha Sound, Georgia, out 20 nautical miles, including Grays Reef National Marine Sanctuary, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a flood was located along the line from near Paris Island Reef to 28 nautical miles northwest of St. Catherine Sound, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 34 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Modular Barge, Buoy KC, Sailboat Jupiter, 110 degree 11 buoy, Savannah Buoy, Channel Buoy 5, Sea Buoy 2W, CCA Buoy, BUA Buoy, Wausau Sound Buoy, Whitewater Reef, Sea Buoy Os, Hilton Head Reef, Savannah River Entrance and Gaskins Bank Wreck. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.